After vaccination, we decided to bring her to Veterans Memorial Park here in Summerside, PEI, so that she will feel relaxed after the injection. And she's quite enjoying it, walking around with us, with mom and dad. And she loves to see the flowers. And she keeps calling her dad to walk with her and enjoy the view. Summerside is a beautiful city here in PEI, and there are many parks where you can walk around with your kids, and the weather is so good that we enjoy it walking with Sophia, and we avoid giving her gadgets. We make sure that she enjoys growing up, especially in her formative years, so that she can explore everything and she can use all of her senses and do activities outside instead of staying at home using her gadgets. And she's happy and she loves to socialize with other kids as well.
Meron silang sariling palaruan. Oo. Sa June 10 nga yung ano niya dyan.
35 ano?
35 per day.